Good morning. Today we are going to see about HCI, human computer interaction, also referred to as HCI. It researches the design and use of computer technology. It also focused on the interfaces between people and the computers. The researchers in the field of HCI both observe the ways in which humans interact with computer and design technologies that let humans interact with computers in novel ways. Here we are going to see about three topics: the user, computer, and interaction. It has three components: user, computer, and interaction. So, what is user? We may mean an user as individual user or the group of users working together in an organization. So the user uses the sensory systems like sight, hearing, touch to relay information with the computers. So there are different types of users with different conceptions or mental models about their interactions and have different ways of learning and keeping knowledge. Computer. So any technology ranging from desktop computers to large scale computer systems. For example, if we were discussing the design of website, means the website itself would be referred as a computer, or the devices such as desktop, laptop, mobile phones, VCRs can also be considered as computers. Interaction. So interaction plays a vital role. So here we are going to design an interface to perform interaction between the computers and the system. So the HCI attempts to ensure that they both interact successfully. In order to achieve a usable system, you need to apply what you know about computers and what you know about humans throughout the design process. So the main roles are the human and the computers and the interaction between them. There are several goals we need to achieve in during the design of HCA process. The goals of HCA are to produce usable and safe systems. So the usability plays a main role when designing an HCA systems, as well as we have to concentrate on functionality of the system. So the usability goal in usability goal we have to design the interface such that it should be easy to learn, easy to remember, and how to use, easy effective to use and efficient to use, safe to use and enjoyable to use. These are all the goals we need to concentrate when designing an HCA interface with respect to usability. And there are several factors in human computer interaction. The first factor is organizational factors. The sub factors under organizational factors comes training, job design, politics, roles, work organization, environmental factors, noise, heating, lighting, ventilation, health and safety factors in the organization. Next factor is the user. So we have to concentrate on the types of users which involved in the design of human computer interaction. And the next factor is user interface. So interface plays a major role. There are several types of interfaces we can design. So we have to design an interface with the efficient manner, with the effective manner, and it should increase the usability of the users, so that many of the users can use the interface to perform interaction with the computers. So we have to concentrate on those factors when designing a user interface. Next comes task factor. So task, what are the tasks we are going to perform to design an interface? The task may be a complex task or it may be a easy task, and how to allocate the task to the persons, those factors comes under task factors. Next factor is constraints. So we have to concentrate on the cost factor and the time factor and budget factors when designing an HCA interface. Next is system functionality. So the functionality of the system should be increased. It should improve the reliability. It should increase the usability of the system. The function should be easy. These are all the factors should be considered when designing an interface. System functionality, the system throughput, the system efficiency factors, those factors of the system should be considered under system functionality. And the last one is productivity factors. In productivity factors, we have to consider the increase of the profit and decrease of the cost, increase of the reliability. All those things should be considered in designing an HCI interface. Next are the disciplines of HCI. So these are all the various disciplines we can apply the human computer interaction. The first one is computer science, cognitive psychology, social psychology, ergonomics are human factors, linguistics, artificial intelligence, and engineering and design. These are the various disciplines we can use. We are going to apply the HCI techniques. Thank you.